Hi everyone, welcome to Ali Showers. Here I share real interview experiences, job updates for freshers, and easy preparation tips. Everything is simple, honest, and based on real interviews. If you want to get placed, subscribe now and start preparing smart. Thank you. Hi everyone, welcome back to Ali Showers. A new video, a new experience, and a new challenges. So let's start with the video. So first I will give the student overview. So the today's student is AIDS branch, that is Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. From like she belongs to this branch, and the company is Capgemini as usual. It's the series of Capgemini company only, and the final result was selected, and the package offered was 5.75 LPA. Okay, now let's start with the interview process. As usual, in Capgemini there are 4 rounds. I have explained in my previous video also that you know. And this is the experience and interview questions of this fourth round. Okay, now let's start with the actual interview questions. So almost every interview start with the interviewer self. My juniors were asked to give a short intro, including their education, skills, and project. Okay, that was the first question. After that, interview were asked a detailed question about the final year project, problem statement, technologies used, and individual contribution to that project. Okay, like which model you have used in the project, that was also questions. Like my junior were asked to explain the project modules clearly, because interviewers check conceptual understanding here. Okay, not everyone will just ask and let it go. Like for first of all, they will ask the project, then they will ask challenges, then they will ask modules and more detailed explanation of project, because they want to know that whether you have given the actual like whether you have performed actual project or not. Okay, now they also asked whether the project was completed or still in progress, and what future improvements were planned. So this is one of the, we can say, one of the conceptual questions they have asked. After that, questions on communication skills, teamwork, leadership, and adaptability were asked. So which are the soft skills you have? You can see here they have asked. So you have to be like answer, I am team, like I can be do a better teamwork, I can have the leadership qualities, and I'm adaptable. You have to answer like this. Now the next question, like interviewer first asked the project, then he went to HR question. After that he came back to acid properties, that is question from SQL. Now this was a technical database question, atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability, with the real life examples. Okay, now the next question was what is SQL. So basically SQL is a structured query language that interviewer asked. Then after that, explain acid property in detail with example. Now what is atomicity, what is consistency, what is isolation, whether you know just definition or how, like how these concepts are used, that you have to explain. So whenever you are preparing SQL, be prepared with a detailed example also, right? If you are explaining any question and giving example, that will be giving a, like that will be give a better expression or impression, you can say. Okay, now CSS for a button which has a red color sharing screen, means interview asked to share her screen, and he tell him to write a code which, like first you have to, for this first you have to create the button in HTML, then you have to give the CSS, like which has the red color, you can see. Then here practical also there. So whenever you are doing HTML CSS project, just don't copy paste everything from ChatGPT and Copilot. Do the practical analysis, what you are writing there, what is there, and how this color is changing, how the sizes of content are changing. So be conscious about that also. And 10th question was what is used to give a style to class and ID. So what is used to give a style to class and ID, so how we use class and ID, that was the question regarding that. And any question from your side. So here every interview was asking like any question is from your side for me. So at that time you have to like tell some question that will show your interest in their company, so they will get to know that yes, you are interested in their company. Okay, like that the interview went. And here from this like from this interview experience, I want to give some tips. As usual, these 3 tips are there: clear your basic, be confident, and know your resume well. But apart from that, whenever you are writing or doing projects in your college of HTML, CSS and JS, most of the students just copy paste the content. But don't do that. Whenever you are writing the basics or the heading, what you have used for that heading content, h1 h2, how you have given the coloring, how you have given the spacing, how you have given the like alignments and all, be like just observe that, try to do it by yourself, not just copy paste. Okay. And after that also, project is one of the most important thing in your resume, and also in your interview, because Capgemini is everyone, students has the question of interview in project. Okay. And you have to be clear it's your project, what you have used, what you have not used, how your project model works, and all the things. Okay. And the last is very important, know your resume well. That is best thing. Okay. Now, yeah, thank you for watching this video. Get in touch with us and be there. I'm uploading the series continually, and this video is specially for like this candidates from batch 2020, like 2026. And if you're coming batches, then you have to be this series. Okay, thank you, bye.